How to buy $YAPSTER. YAPSTER token crypto coin how to buy Solana Raydium Ourbit CX exchange blockchain. Sup everybody, Helper Dog here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're diving into the YAPSTER token. The name of the token is YAPSTER, and the ticker symbol is also YAPSTER. This token is on the Solana blockchain, and it was just announced that YAPSTER is getting listed on at least 2 very big central exchanges starting today. We'll break down the details on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we get into it, just a quick reminder. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly informational, so take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially crypto, since it can be volatile. Also, there are tons of referral codes in the description box. Check those out for the best crypto apps where you can get free money, free rewards, and free crypto just by using those codes and funding your account. Referral codes benefit both of us, so go ahead and check them out and let's dive into this token. YAPSTER token overview. Token price, 4.6 per token. Market cap, $41.8 million. 24-hour trading volume, $18.1 million. Price increase, up 226% today. Launch date, the token pair was created 3 days, 16 hours ago on Raydium. How to get YAPSTER. The YAPSTER token is now listed on Ourbit exchange as of January 23rd, 5 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. If you don't have an Ourbit account yet, I've got a referral code for that down in the description. Here's how to get it. Open an account using the Ourbit referral link in the description box. Fund your account with USDT. Head to the trade section, search for YAPSTER, and buy the token. It's also available on Raydium, so you can get it via decentralized exchanges like Raydium or potentially on Jupiter or Meteora. You can also follow updates and find more info about YAPSTER on their Telegram and Twitter. What is YAPSTER? YAPSTER is a fun, meme-based game project with an interesting concept. He who controls the memes controls the universe. The project is in beta, and they have an app that's available for download via the website at yapster.xyz. Their Telegram community, at @istreesick, is already active with 464 members and counting. Key features. Fun meme game. The game seems to revolve around creating dank memes and potentially earning rewards. Beta version. Players can join in on the beta version of the app. Community engagement. Users can engage with the project through their Telegram and Twitter accounts, getting updates on new features, game mechanics, and exclusive content. How to get YAPSTER through Raydium. First, you'll need a wallet that supports Solana tokens, such as Solflare, Phantom, or Trust Wallet. Fund your wallet with Solana. Use Raydium or another Solana-based DEX to swap your SOL for YAPSTER. Check out the correct contract address to ensure you're getting the right token. You can find it through DEX Tools, DEX Screener, or SolScan. Recent updates. Ticket sales. They've sold 300 tickets in just 3 minutes for TMR, another game-related activity. New features. Recent updates include the ability to edit your meme even after buying a ticket, along with various bug fixes and game improvements. Transaction handling. They're working on improving the load handling on their platform to ensure smoother game interactions for all users. Final thoughts. YAPSTER is definitely an interesting project in the meme space, blending entertainment with cryptocurrency. With the big exchange listings and active community involvement, it's one to watch if you're into Solana-based tokens or meme-related projects. Let me know in the comments. What do you think about YAPSTER? Is it a project you'd invest in, or is it just for fun? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily updates on the latest coins and tokens. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.